What's up, traders? A quick live session here, so let me know if you have any questions, any confusions. I'm happy to help and answer all right here on this live session. So let me know if you're trading any particular instrument. We can do a quick analysis in this live session. Hey Amandas, what's up? Any trades today? Hello Harish. Hey buddy, hey Daniel. Hey Kamran, walaikum assalam. I'm good, thank you. Yeah, let's check USD, JPY and Rocky. Yes, I'm going to go through your list as well. So let's start with USD, JPY. And we'll do it right now. Oops. Right, so we'll do one by one. So let's do USD Japanese yen. So first thing, we need to have these zones ready on your charts, and the number is 144.63, goes up to 145.56. Now the price is still in a very strong uptrend, and I'm still not looking to sell USD Japanese yen. I know that the price is still below the EMAs, but it's still in the zone right here, which is the one I just mentioned. So I won't be taking sell trades until the price breaks and close below 144.63 completely with good momentum below this zone. Once that happens, then we will use this zone for the sell continuations. Hey Abhishek. Yeah, Bodgan, the MT4 files, there's a video. You should have received the email with that, and there's a video with that link, video link. So you can just click on this video link and it will give you all the instruction how to install the indicators which you have received just now. Otherwise, you can just DM me on Instagram. I'll show you the screenshots of that as well. And let's check Euro Japanese yen, Iraqi for you. And then we're going to go through the other instruments. Euro Japanese yen is pushing lower nicely, and we have a cross as well, so looks like the price is going to fall to the next level of support, and the next support is right here. You just need to mark these on your charts, 155.34, and that goes up to 156.09. so once the price hit this zone, only then we will enter buy counter trades. For now, we are just going to enter sell trades. No more buying for this pair. We can get a pullback and we can keep on taking shots until the price hit the zone below. So sell for Euro Japanese yen. I'll quickly check Euro USD and then we're going to move forward, and I will read all the comments coming in, and then we're going to go through that as well. So Euro USD is pushing lower nicely, nice condition right here, and price is pushing down from here. We can still get another bearish engulfer and price will still push down. So it is very strong bearish downtrend, and all we need are pullbacks and just sell trades until we hit the zone below, which is right here. 106.254 goes up to 976, from where we will enter counter trades. For now, not buying Euro USD at this point. So Rocky, all done for you, and let's yeah, that's good. We have done Euro Japanese yen. Thank you, Jeff. Somesh. Okay, Somesh, let's look yours, and then Ali will check the CHF Japanese yen. So let's check silver quickly here. So the level here for silver, it can still push up to, right, so 2402 is now inside 2460. It can still push up to the upper level, which is 60, and from here we can get a possible retracement, a pullback. So keep an eye here, we can get a good condition within this area of value. This is just a blip. It can still, if there is no condition, then I'll look at this area for my sell trade, but for now it is very likely we can get a condition within this zone. So I have this zone ready on the charts, and I only want to see a good bearish engulfer on 4 hour or 1 hour. Look for double tops. So it is now in the selling area, and I'll be looking to enter my sell trades only, and it can be a pullback, not a big reversal, pullback to 50 or 20 EMA, then a continuation towards the upside. Let's quickly check CHF Japanese yen. Right, so we have the zone here. It is now in uptrend, very good uptrend, and it can still hit the zone right here because it have no resistance. This pair is pushing up like crazy and do not have any sort of resistance here. If you look at the weekly levels, it is the all-time high, so it can still push up, and it can push up likely from this 163.80 and goes up to 164.27. So I have the zones there, and I will look for a good reason to enter, like bullish engulfers or my double bottom condition. And if the price breaks and close below, only then I'll look for my sell trades. For now, I'm just looking for buying opportunities. I know the price is below 50 EMA, but it's also going to hit the trend continuation zone that can likely push the price higher and break above this previous high. So I have the zones ready on there. Yeah, Amanda's Euro USD can likely push down. Kamran, let's check S&P 500 for you. Okay, so already pushing up from the zone right here, and yeah, it can now push up likely because as you can see, it broke above 50 EMA. Now I want to see a good momentum above 50 EMA, and then I'll start to look for the pullback and continuation. So it's likely the price will push up from here. I won't be taking any sell trades for S&P 500. It looks bullish to me now. It's pushing up nicely. Otherwise, I also look for the double bottoms if we get that. But again, if I see a condition above 50 EMA, I will only go long. Double bottoms will be if we have a dramatic fall back in the zone. The zone is 43.26 goes to 43.92. This is a zone I've sent to the members as well. So if you're a member, you should have these zones on your charts. My pleasure, Harish. Yeah, net gas. I've just given the analysis of net gas on YouTube, so let's do it quickly as well. It is now pushing lower, and it can likely push lower. Pullback is expected, and then a continuation. If it hit the zone below, which is right here, if you're trading on this platform, right here, the number in blue, want to look for a buy condition if you have that. If there is no condition, I'm not going to enter the trade. I will still look for sell trades only unless and until I see a good reason to enter my buy trades. Hey, Alan. So hourly chart on a natural gas flag pattern consolidating where the level of support on the bottom is flat. Normally happens in that case. So even on 1 hour time frame, we had a condition. Yeah, I didn't see that because I was trading on 4 hour time frame, but we had a valid condition here. I can't see any you're talking about this? No, I can't see any clear pattern here, so I'm still like looking at this zone here, or sell condition with the pullbacks if you are looking at net gas, and that is all I'm looking at for net gas, not looking at any sort of patterns at this point. Hey Moon, Tech 100, okay, sorry, yeah, now it pulled back to the zone right here. I was paying attention to the zone. We can get a likely signal here, Moon. So as you can see the number right here in blue, I'm going to go through all the messages one by one. So right here we have this comment from Moon, so I'm just doing that. So this number here, now we can get a possible sell signal because the price is pushing down in a nice trend, broke below this recent support that will now act as a good resistance and can push the price lower, and price can likely head lower and continue to head lower for now if we have a condition. And the next zone, I still need to do these zones, but this is the zone I'll be paying attention to my next buy trades. Or if we have a break above with no condition above 15,321, only then I'll start to look for my buy trades. For now, I'm just looking sell for Nasdaq 100. Hierarchy. So why when quite a pullback? Yen, do you also think is going higher? Yes, for yen, yeah, like I just showed, it is still in the resistance, in the support area. So that is why I'm still, if you see here, I'm still looking to enter my buy trades only, because it's still, as you can see, this is now still in the support area, so it's still not broken. A very strong uptrend. So only once we have a break and close below, then I'll start to look for my sell trades. For now, I'm still waiting till the zone is broken to enter my sell trades. Euro USD, we do not have any condition, bought gun for any condition for sell, for buy trades. We are only looking to enter sell trades. If you are in a trade, let's say if you're in a buy trade, 50 EMA, it will be a good point to exit, but it will be not a valid trade if you are in a buy trade. My pleasure. And check Euro USD. On higher time frame, it is still in a downtrend and looks like a head and shoulder pattern as well. Below 50 EMA, cross, and a bearish engulfer. So all these are going towards the sell side. So I'm still looking at sell. Yeah, if you look at daily time frame, just shown Amanda's. Japanese yen is now in the pound Japanese yen is now in the level of major support, and that can push the price higher, which is likely. We have a pin bar, and let's see if it's a 382 candle or not. It is not, but it's a 25% candle, and but I look to enter my trades with good conditions like bullish engulfer. That can be aggressive entry if you want to enter a few pips above, but it is now in a buying zone and can likely form a double bottom pullback, double bottom, and can head higher. So not taking sell trades for this one. For now, sell trades will be below this zone, or if you have a pullback forms bearish engulfer, I will go little scalp for my sell trades. For now, I'm just looking buying in condition for GBJPY. Oil, it's also bearish, very strong, as you can see. It's crude oil here is right here. So yeah, since we had this bearish engulfer, price is pushing lower, breaks below this previous low, and then we had a pullback. We are getting a pullback, and which is likely we get a bearish engulfer, and we are only going to take sell trades. I'm not looking for any buy trades for crude oil because the price is now heading lower, and that can be a change in trend. We were in an uptrend right here, and now that can be another wave lower, and only looking for sell trades with conditions, not buying crude oil until we are below all the EMAs. Okay, hey Leo, thank you, and let's check CAD CHF for you. Very choppy market for CAD CHF, but still in the a level of support. It's not breaking the level of support from quite a while, but still heading lower in this little channel, as you can see, and now rejected this area as well. So I'll be careful. We are getting this good bullish pressure, so I'll be only looking to enter buy trades for this now, because we are still in the level of support, and this level is right here. 0.64749 goes up to 0.65229, and we are also getting this 382 candle on daily time frame. If that closed as a daily as a 382 candle on daily time frame, that price can likely head higher, so sell trades will be only below that. Okay, let's see if we have any okay, so nothing for today. Yeah, sure, I'll check the Japanese. Yeah, I'll look for the major events. Let's see if we have tomorrow. We have one US dollar major news event. So initial jobless claim that can affect dollar, USD, and gold as well. So yeah, these are the data I'll be looking at tomorrow as well. Yeah, I'll check the gold as well now in a moment from Manos. Yeah, wheat. Remember that. Yeah, I'll check the wheat. Let's check Canada Japanese yen, Bank Nifty, and wheat and gold. Yeah. So we'll do Canada Japanese yen first. It used to be one of my best pairs, but not anymore. But still giving some good entries. It is still it's still in an uptrend, and it can still head higher. But if I see, as you can see, that we have a break below 50 and 20 EMA. Previous low has been broken. If I see a condition like a pullback bearish engulfer, I will still go short. So I'll be looking to enter my sell trades for this one only if I get a condition. Now I still have the zone above, a major zone, which is right here. In case we have a dramatic push up, right here 109.16 goes up to 110.4004. In that case, I'll just enter my sell trade with conditions. For now, I look for my sell trades below 50 and 20 EMA as long as we are below this area. My pleasure. So let's check wheat for you, and then we'll do Bank Nifty. Awesome. So wheat is pushing up and broken above 50 EMA. Looks like it's gonna change in the trend, and we can see a price to push higher from here. We have a nice bullish candle, a strong bullish candle, and it can still push up. So just wait for the price to completely break above this high, and then we have a continuation. We look for the pullback trades with bullish engulfers and keep on taking long. So it looks good to me. Raki have sent these this commodity report in my not this one, the last one. That's why you didn't receive it, but I've already sent these report, and we took this trade already in the priority group. I'll share the report with you as well, the previous one. So it is now likely to push higher. Yeah, Alan, I'll check that in a moment. Hi, Weston. Yeah, silver will go through that. Yeah, I'll check the stocks for you as well. Yeah, no problem. And we were at the Bank Nifty. Let's see that. Okay. Okay, that pushed up nicely from my support area. Yeah, good. Looks good to me. And yeah, I'll check crude oil for you. Right, so price is now heading lower. We have a change of trend, and now it can still push lower from here. So wait for the next candle. Let's see if we have a next candle as a bearish candle. As you can see, the price opens in gap. So you might not see an engulfing candle here on this market, but we can get a red candle. So look at the red candle, a bigger red candle. If you have that, price can head lower and form a possible double bottom pattern here. So let me give you the zones quickly for you. Right here. So you can have the zone here, Abhishek, right here. 43286, sorry, 43268, 43612. So for now I'll wait for the red candle, I'll take sell trade, and we'll exit the trade here, and once we have a good signal here, we'll take another buy trade. So that is how we're going to look at, and targets can be again 1 ATR for you. ATR is a number right here, as you can see. If you hover over the current candle, whatever the candle you are entering, look at the ATR, add some numbers with that, and then you can manage your trades. Let me drink quick water. Okay, so where we have okay. Right, so nice downtrend here. Yeah, looks good, and we need to see the zone that has been broken. Looks like a strong downtrend here, and too dark. Now it's good. So for PayPal, Alan, I'm expecting a good pullback now, and the pullback can be till this zone here, 68.75, and goes up to 72.34, and I'm expecting a good pullback to this area, and then price can likely fall back down. So it's a very nice downtrend here, so I only look for sell trades. I won't be entering buy trades for now. We had a break below the previous low, a signal that price wants to continue to push down, and I look for my bearish candles here below 50 EMA, and if the price head higher, it can head high likely to the zone here, and then it can push the price below again. So have the zones there on the charts and look for sell conditions here. Pleasure, Leo, and Western. We're going to look silver. Yeah, I've just done the analysis for silver. It's now in the zone, which is a selling area we have, and now I'm expecting some pullback. So I won't be expecting a very big targets. Very strong. We had a very strong candle here, but I'm expecting a good pullback. Looking at the overbought situation as well. So once this candle is closed, I will pay attention to the next candle, and we have a likely chance the next candle will close as a bearish candle. If we have that, we have a good signal, and targets again will be 1 ATR. ATR is currently 19 points, so 19 points will be your targets initially, and then you can manage it till a further 1 ATR. So that is what I'm looking at for silver. And if you're not an aggressive trader, you want extra confirmation, then you can wait and see if the price can form double top. But if you're an aggressive trader, that would be a very good entry. The next candle after this candle can be a bearish engulfer. That can be your sell signal. Okay, so for you, buddy, it's crude oil is pushing lower, and like I mentioned that I'm only expecting sell trades with a pullback, bearish engulfer. That is what I'm expecting. So no more buying for crude oil as long as we are below 50 EMA, and the next zone from where we enter buy trade is a little bit below, which I still need to do. I'll do it tonight, and I'll update you guys tomorrow as well. Hey Tavern, thank you so much. My pleasure. Hey Leo, yeah, New Zealand Japanese yen, one of my best performing pair, which is right here, and is ranging sideways. We have nothing for that for now. Below 50 EMA, all I want to see a complete break and close below this low. Then we have a confirmation that price wants to continue to push lower, and I'll just look for my entries on 4-hour time frame. For now, it is just ranging sideways. We can still get a break above 50 EMA with dramatic push up, or we have a likely chance we have a complete break and close below this low. So have these two areas on your charts, and I want to see a complete break and close below this low to take my sell trades. Only for now we are below 50 EMA, so that we have a likely chance that price will head lower. My pleasure, Abhishek. My pleasure. And what's up, Nvidia? Not sure if I have that on my charts. Right, nice uptrend. And let's see where it's heading to. Wow, so it's all-time high, and so that is the only area I'm looking at to take my sell trades. Oh, sorry, my buy trades. Otherwise, it's in an uptrend, but I'll keep these zones on my charts. If next week, maybe week after that, we have a pullback to this zone, it can likely head higher, so we can get a correction here with a pullback, and then price can push higher again. So for now, we're just expecting some pullbacks out of this market, and then the price can head higher. As you can see, price made a new high. We had a pullback followed by bullish engulfer, a perfect rule of that goes with my entry conditions, and price still pushing higher. So very good trending market. Yes, Raki, I've checked that. Yes. Okay. Sorry, Lucas, for ATR, for which commodity or which forex pair you are asking about pips? We check GBJPY and oh yeah, gold. Let's just see gold quickly. Yeah, we have a gold pushing higher, and we have a likely chance. This is just a pullback, and we can get another bounce from this zone here from 1910 that goes down to 1893, but I'm not expecting a price to head towards 1893, so we can get a push up, that's a pullback above 50 EMA, and then we can get a possible continuation. So it can still push up, and I'll only go long until the price hit the zone above, which I still need to mark and redo the zones. So it's still bullish. Yes, crude oil can fall. Yes, we are bearish momentum. Thank you, Harish. GB Japanese yen. Okay. Yeah, it's now in the buying area, so I'm just looking for my buy conditions here, not selling. So it is now in a very nice trend, and we can get a nice. It broke above this zone, and then we have this zone can likely push the price higher to the next level of resistance, which is right up there. So all I want to see a good condition and only go long for this pair with conditions. Yes, 5 points, yeah, or you can call 50. It depends here, right? If you see, click on add gas. Let's say you entered, let's say you have a candle, entry candle here. If you see this bearish engulfing candle and you want to enter this trade, right? Place your position tool here, hover over this candle. What you see, the number here is 3, right? So 3, that, or you can call it 3.9. So 3.9, you can add your ATR, which is this, right? So exactly 1 ATR right here, 3.9, 3.9, and you can keep your stop loss exactly like this. And as you can see, the target has been hit. So that is how you can calculate your ATRs. Right, guys, so any more questions, and I'm happy to answer, and then I'll leave you guys to enjoy the rest of your day. But by the way, I've just added this new commodity, platinum, so I'll be doing analysis on this one as well. So I'm still analyzing this market if you are trading this one. So okay, looks good. Right, so that is it. And dollar index looks good. On dollar index, Raki, the one I'm just right on the screens, looks bullish to me if you're asking about this one. Yeah, it's Lucas, it's since 2018. Not too long. So Raki, yeah, dollar index, it's in an uptrend, and we can get a likely push up from here. I closely look dollar index if you're trading gold and other like pairs that goes with dollars. So we're getting a good condition. Maybe price will push higher, and it's bullish now. Dollar index gonna head higher, and we have a chance that price. Okay. Yeah, that's why I need to do the zones. Yeah, roughly, Raki. So yeah, you should have these zones here on the charts. 104.71 goes up to 105.24. This is an area from where we can expect price to change its direction towards the bearish side. Hey Moon, now Nasdaq is not bullish at this point. It looks bearish to me. Nasdaq 100, you say? No, as long as price is below, it's in between the zone here. I'm not going to look at my buy trades unless and until I get a good reason to enter. Tell you my rule: if you are above 50 EMA, I'll look for buy trades. But if you are in the zone, counter trading zone, if I get a condition for sell first, I enter my sell trade first. If I get a condition for buy, let's say if there is no condition up there, we get a good pullback without any sell condition, and we have a bullish engulfing candle above 50 EMA, I will still go long till the zone above. So I will not hold on with my trades if we have a level of resistance above the price. So that is what I'm looking at Nasdaq for now. So for gold and silver, Raki, I also look at the dollar index, and I'm mainly looking at, and I'm also looking at the ratio right here. If you look at the ratio here, that is going on really nicely with the gold and silver analysis, because if you see here, when the price was here in an uptrend, gold and silver was in a downtrend. When the price was it hit the zone here, the gold hit the zone right at this area, it pushed the price lower. So this is the ratio I closely look at, and now is in the level of support. Support here, and we can get a pullback here on ratio, and then we can get a pullback towards the bearish side here on gold and silver. So that is what I mainly look at. Sometimes we get false signals from dollar index, and people get confused there. So that is why I'll mainly look ratio and look at the indexes as well. So you can, it's worth having the charts of gold and silver here, and I've been testing this one from long time, and it's giving some good signals for gold and silver. So yes, Simon, so for like I have tested all my pairs, all the strategies on 4-hour time frame, but it perfectly works with 1-hour time frame, 15 minutes time frame, or 5 minutes time frame. All you need to do is your back testing, because I've tested my pairs on 4-hour time frame more than 100 times. Every single pair you see on the screen, that is why I use 4-hour time frame. So I like swing trading. For me, if you are trading on smaller time frame, use 50 EMA there as well. Apply the exact rules, and the only difference will be the targets will be smaller, and that is how you can like take your trades on 4-hour time on smaller time frame. But use the same rule. If I'm trading on 1-hour time frame, let's say let's take an example of net gas right here. So the ATR at this for net gas on 4-hour time frame is 3. If you go back on 1-hour time frame, we had a condition, a valid condition right here. So ATR, it's 1. So you see the difference. You need to have your stops and target according to the ATR, and then your stops and target will reduce if you use the smaller time frame. But then you need to make sure, if you are doing day trading, you need to make sure that your broker is offering you a good spread, because then if your spread is more than ATR, then trust me guys, it's bad for your trading. So you need to make sure that you're trading with the right one. My pleasure, Abhishek. Hey Leo, I just risk my 1 to 2% of account balance if there is news events like jobless claim or the other big events. I reduce my risk. So that is how I put money. So depends if you are trading on 5k 10k account. If you have a big account, only then 1 to 2% risk can give you good amount of money. Of course, for small accounts, if you're trading with $100 account, 1% risk will make you nothing. So that is what I use for my risk. XNS, I've heard about it. I've not used that. Well, yes, Rocky, that has been giving out some good results, and I have a video on that, how to trade gold and silver ratio, and that's videos is also linked in the description. If you want to take a look, it will give you the exact rules how you can enter the trades. So TSX, then I'm gonna leave you guys to enjoy your day, and let's see if I can find this one. Right, Moon, so you're sorry, who was it who was asking what this one? Thank you, Lucas. I really appreciate your comments. I'm glad that you're learning out of my analysis. That is why I just don't come here to give just tell the buy or sell signals. I want you guys to see and look at the entry patterns so that you understand the trading as well. Okay, so I lost the comment. So TSX, Simon, that's the one you're talking about right here, this Canadian indices index. If that's the one, let me know in the comment section. Okay, BMO. Yeah, let's see that. I've not seen that before. Bank of Montreal. That's the one. Great. Let's add that. Okay, so let's do this one, and then I'll leave you guys to enjoy your day. I've been saying that from last 5-10 minutes. Okay, so okay. Good. Good. We have a very good zone here if you are trading this instrument. Hi Weston. I personally trade with IC markets, and I've recently started trading with INFX, and they also have a very good positive swap rates. Rather than just paying swap, they also pay you swaps for some commodities, and the links are in the description if you look at it. So right now I'm just started trading with INFX, so they have a very good customer support as well. So if you want to take a look, the links are in the description. They have a commission free, and if you are looking for day trading or scalping, they also have a very good and tight spread accounts, which is raw spread accounts. So take a look, and if you join using the link below, then let me know. I'll add you in the group as well for free. So this one, Simon. So it is pushing down. We had a break below the low, and right here, and now it is likely from after the pullback we can get a price to hit this zone below, and it's worth having these zones on your charts if you are trading this, because it is a very, very good level. I'm expecting a very good reversal from here, but all I want to see are good conditions like bullish engulfers or my double bottom pin bars, all these buy signals from this area. So I'll keep this area on my charts. Once we have a good conditions, we're gonna go long. My pleasure, Nathan. My pleasure, Simon. So hope you all guys hope you guys got a value out of my analysis, and make sure you hit the like button for me if you are getting value, and like always, hope you trade green, and see you guys in the next video or next live session. Sasa just joined. I was about to leave. Let me quickly answer your question, and then I'll shoot. For the price to get to 3, it needs to be above 50 EMA and 20 EMA and above this trend. So price is still in an uptrend, and we are only looking for scalps on sell trades. So if we have a good bounce from the support, and then price breaks above 50 and 20 EMA, then it will be a good chance, a likely chance, that price will head towards 3 and 3.09. Hope that answers your questions. Alright guys, enjoy your day. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.